Hello and welcome to How to Film Weddings. My name is Nick Miller and I want to show you something today that is totally going to crush your mind grapes. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Actually, first, let's rewind this opener. Hello and welcome to How to Film Weddings. My name is Nick Miller and I want to show you something today that is totally going to crush your mind grapes. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Recently I filmed a wedding and the bride had two of her bridesmaids do some spoken word poetry. The bride mentioned this specific poetry reading several times during our meetings up to the wedding, so I knew she was very excited about this specific portion of her wedding day. You know, thoughts have been going through my head about how I could incorporate this spoken word into their film. I was really excited about it, so we got everything set up for toast. The lights are on, the audio is recording, the mic stand is in place. They get ready to start their toasts, and then...
There's no room for expiration. Spoil me with unbroken promises. Promise me that our love will stay fresh and tender.
If you've been in the wedding video industry for more than 5 minutes, you know that this type of stuff can happen all the time. Even in this situation where we were totally prepared, we had tested our recorders, we had a backup for our backup, we told the people speaking where to stand and get close to the mic, you can still get thrown a curveball. So what do you do when you're presented with this type of curveball? In the past, I would have thrown out this audio bit altogether. It wouldn't have been usable. But what if I told you there was a way to extract vocals from any audio track and the audio track would still be usable? Enter LaLaL.ai. LaLaL.ai is a powerful AI internet-based software that does just that. It separates the music from the vocals so that you can use one or the other in your films. It's really easy to use. Let me show you how it works. The first thing you are going to want to do is trim down the audio that you would like to extract in your editor. The reason for this is that you pay for LaLaL.ai by the minute. So if you only need 45 seconds of a toast, it doesn't make sense to upload 9 minutes. Next, head over to LaLaL.ai and upload your file. I haven't messed around with this too much, but you'll have the option of processing your audio using mild, normal, or aggressive levels. I've only used normal and had great results. After you select your audio, it'll start processing in the queue. Now, depending on how complex your audio file is, this can take a few minutes. After your file has been processed, you will have the option to preview your file, both the vocal and instrumental track. Preview the files and see if you like the results. If your file is less than 50 megabytes, you'll have the option to download this for free in an MP3 format. If you'd like other formats that have more data for editing, you'll need to upgrade. But at $10 for 90 minutes and $20 for 300, I think you'll find the prices are very reasonable. I have an upgraded account, so I'll click the process the entire track option. Once this is finished, I'll get an email telling me my file is ready to download. Click the download button and enjoy your audio track with extracted vocals. Next, add the vocals to your editor and export. Now you're all set.
There's no room for expiration. Spoil me with unbroken promises. Promise me that our love will stay fresh and tender. There's no room for expiration. Spoil me with unbroken promises. Promise me that our love will stay fresh and tender.
If that totally blew your mind, please hit that thumbs up button. As I was putting this video together, I thought, how many of us are really dealing with this type of situation on a wedding day? I know that I have only dealt with music being played during one of my toasts maybe 4 or 5 times out of 250. So I wanted to do a test that was pretty practical. Here is a clip from a recent wedding where there was a nice static buzz throughout one of the toasts. Let's take a listen.
Cassidy, you are such an amazing person. Beautiful inside and out.
So you can hear that buzz and it's nasty. No matter what I did in my editing programs, I couldn't get that sound away and still have her voice sound natural. I actually hired my friend Ryan Coda to clean up the audio in this toast. He is a professional audio engineer, and because of his work, I was able to use this section of the toast in my final film. So I wanted to see what would happen if I ran this nasty, noisy toast through LaLaL.ai and see if it was even possible to be usable. What Ryan did to this audio is better. but what LaLaL.ai did is definitely made the toast usable in most cases. Listen to this.
Cassidy, you are such an amazing person, beautiful inside and out. You are someone that I can always rely on, who always has my back, and vice versa.
As you can hear, LaLaL.ai removed the nasty, noisy part of the audio. It does sound a little weird with some artifacts and stuff by itself, but the maid of honor's voice is still pretty much intact. Now I'm going to take it one step further and add some background music to this clip, and it is 100% possible to use it in a finished film. Just so you can hear how powerful this tool is, I took all 3 sections and put them together. Let's take a listen.
Cassidy, you are such an amazing person, beautiful inside and out. You are someone that I can always rely on, who always has my back, and vice versa. Growing up, I was so protective of you. Anyone that hurt you or your feelings had to deal with me. Now Jeff is your protector.
LaLaL.ai has removed background music, noise, and even clapping. I would also imagine that you'll have great success removing something like a baby crying with this program. If you'd like to check out this powerful AI tool, head over to LaLaL.ai. That is LaLaL.ai. LaLaL.ai has given us one free 300-minute license to give away. If you'd like to win, head over to howtofilmweddings.com/LaLaL.ai. Now, I am not saying that this software can replace a real-life audio engineer, but I know that this program can totally get someone in need out of a bind. I am so impressed with this software, and I am glad that I have this in my pocket if I need it. So, what do you think? Will you be trying out LaLaL.ai? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to see what LaLaL.ai does to your videos and your audio. And until next time, we will see you.